Are you looking for the best slow cookers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best slow cookers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall slow cooker. The Ninja Foodi replaces 14 different kitchen tools and appliances and includes an integrated spoon/ladle that attaches to the lid, thus preventing you from having to soil the countertop with a dirty spoon. The removable pot can go in an oven up to 500 degrees and can also be used on the stovetop. This truly is a remarkable kitchen product, and we highly recommend you check it out if it's within your budget. Specifications. Pot material non-stick aluminum. Measured weight 5.0 IBS. Capacity 8.04 L 8.5 QT. Programmable yes. Measured temperature on high 92.8 C 199 F. There are very few drawbacks to the Ninja Foodi. We found the steam release hole in the lid to be too large. This isn't ideal for slow cooking, as it fully evaporated 4 cups of water while running for 5 hours during our temperature tracking test. The lid also isn't insulated. If you prefer an insulated lid so you can keep meals warm on the go for longer, check out the Instant Pot Duo. Number 2. High value cooking performance. With a digital screen that has clear indicator lights to choose your temperature and an easy to use dial for adjusting cooking time, we found the temp tracker to be almost too irresistible to pass up. If you go to a lot of family gatherings or potlucks, this slow cooker is a cook and carry beauty with a handle on top of the lid and latches on the sides to keep all the yummy ingredients inside where they belong. Specifications. Pot material stoneware. Measured weight N/A. Capacity 5.68 L 6 QT. Programmable yes. Measured temperature on high N/A. While the temp tracker is a breeze to work with, it's also rather hefty. It becomes downright heavy when you put in a 4-pound roast and vegetables. But even that didn't dampen our enthusiasm for this slow cooker. The cooking features are so easy to use, and the food always comes out tasty. Even the user manual is a gem as it is in-depth and useful and has charts for the best probe placement and an ideal temperature chart for meats. Number 3. Best on a tight budget. This model has an impressively long cook time of up to 20 hours, making it an excellent option for slow cooking stews overnight. It did a great job cooking down vegetables in a braising liquid during testing, onions and tomatoes perfectly stewed, carrots and celery still with a bit of crunch, and no mushy mess when it came to potatoes. Specifications. Pot material stoneware. Measured weight N/A. Capacity 5.68 L 6 QT. Programmable yes. Measured temperature on high N/A. The cook and carry sports a super intuitive timer with an auto warming function. However, it doesn't feature an auto shut off, making us less comfortable using this product while we're not at home. Also, although this is offered up as a cook and carry model, it's pretty heavy when filled, and the stainless steel sidewalls can get very hot. But should you decide to take it out to your next tailgate, it has oversized handles and a well-designed locking lid to keep your favorite dish safely secured in the pot. However, if no auto shutoff is a deal breaker for you, check out the Instant Pot Duo, which allows you to set it and forget it. Number 4. Most versatile slow cooker. This stainless steel beauty is completely programmable and has a laundry host of great features. Those features include an insulated lid shape that is easier to remove than previous versions, as well as improved steam vents. From pressure cooking to a yogurt setting, this is a truly impressive kitchen appliance. Specifications. Pot material stainless steel. Measured weight 1.8 IBS. Pot only, lid not applicable. Capacity 5.68 L 6 QT. Programmable yes. Measured temperature on high 95.5 C 203.9 F. Because of the shape, the 6-quart pot can feel a bit small compared to rectangular models. You have to pay a little bit more attention when stirring if you've put a lot inside. And while the Duo has many super great features, it could overwhelm someone new to cooking. Thankfully, the manual is well laid out, and there are tons of recipe books and websites dedicated solely to the art of instant pot cooking. Truly, this is the greatest bang for the buck if you want to expand your cooking beyond just pot roasts and chili. Number 5. Best for one-pot meals. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, thanks to dual screens that allow you to set time and temperature simultaneously without having to cycle options. The other functions of this model, like brown/saute and steam, directly support the process required by many slow-cooked recipes without any extra fluff. We could sear meat directly in this pot and then easily transition to adding the rest of our ingredients for slow cooking instead of browning a roast in a cast iron skillet first. The pot can also be used in the oven or on the stovetop, and the cooker comes with a rack for steaming vegetables. Specifications: pot material non-stick aluminum. Measured weight 8.8 IBS. Capacity 5.68 L6 QT. Programmable yes. Measured temperature on high end/A. We very much appreciated the consistency of this slow cooker with every meal we prepared. Each one was perfectly cooked, with every individual ingredient evenly textured and fully flavored. This cooker does have a non-stick coating, so that's something to be aware of and delicate with during the cleaning process.